Welcome back on my world trip. My name is Menno, and this is what you saw in the last month. I followed my dream. Make the plan. Quit my job. Learned a lot. And feeling free on the world. Now I'm traveling in India. I learned how the political situation in a country influences you and me. And I had a lot of crazy adventures. Oh no.
No, don't.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay, dankjewel. Oh my god. Dankjewel. Yeah? Okay. I bought a ticket for the unreserved seats and I'm on my way from Nashik to the beach. Well, good morning, this beautiful day. There is a lot of change compared to the places I've been the last weeks. The streets are freaking clean. Look at this. I can now find any trash anywhere. So I don't know what I did, but I did it amazing. And not only the trash is the difference, the food is the difference as well. Because like poha I wanted, they don't have. And normally I just eat on the street in the morning. There are no places on the street. And there are a lot of palm trees over there. Whoop, whoop. Nice, I'm getting so excited to see the beach and to swim in the water. This view reminds me of Turkey. Palm trees, coast and a mosque. But here you have the mosque and the temple next to each other. And forget about the thing that I told you about trash. It's only a city center because outside the city center the trash is everywhere. So come on, we can do better. We can do better. It's so freaking important for our life to have a clean ocean. By seeing the water, okay, it's the industry side of the water, but oh my god. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, chill. Good to see this. Not the trash, but the water. More fire! Burning the trash. Oh. I need to find a solution for that, or we need to find a solution for that to organize the other. Or better, let's go to the beach. Oh man, it is there. It is there, the beach. Oh. It smells disgusting over here because they are building boats, but I will go a bit more that way. Forget beach. Normally in India everything is going open at 11, like late. But now I don't know what is happening, but it is 10 o'clock and it's so freaking busy already. Maybe it's like Black Friday because, ooh, nice stuff. because they sell everything on the street, outside, on beds, that kind of stuff like that. This boy made it to Goa. Whoop. Not alone, and there are palm trees everywhere. Going to the swimming pool. Finally. And it's freaking me out already because I went to 3 places and all the 3 places are full. Whoa. Whoa, bro. I did not have this in like 7 months. Yeah. Hi. Namaste. So the second place sent me to their second location with like, bro, it's fine, you can go there, no worry, everything will be fine. So I went there, full. Oh my god. Okay. But I must say this all reminds me really of Thailand. Yeah. But now I called an homestay with a swimming pool, but because that's what I want, and they have place for me. So nice. It's freaking weird because they were not allowed to take me, or not in that way. They could not host me because I was a foreigner, and they did not have the license. I was like, what the freak? Huh? How? Okay. But I did recognize right now that my stay where I will go now is directly on the beach. Nice.
Well, namaste. This hostel or hotel or whatever it is had only place for 1 night and not sure if they have for more nights.
I don't like that. But okay, it's my problem. Like in the cities, every freaking thing is full. So I wash my underwear each day. So I made sure I booked yesterday something. I never do, but I booked something, and then we'll go there and stay there for 5 days and relax a bit and fix some shit. Because my package from I sent a package home with my stuff because I bought my tent in Kazakhstan, and the package is still returned to Kazakhstan. That's already like 2 months ago, something like that. Yeah. So now I need to fix something that somebody will pick my package up in Kazakhstan, and I need to fix that it will resend again, and it will cost me a lot of money. Yeah. But first, take some breakfast and start the day peacefully because I have all the time. But oh man, it's corruption. This there, it's in the Kazakh post system, and I'm facing it a lot of times already, and it's really frustrating because I'm not there and I cannot fix it, and it needs to ask other people to do it. Okay, but first, put my backpack on. It's early, so it's not that hot. Or not hot, it's hot, but it's okay. And I will walk somewhere to have a breakfast. So Goa has one more challenge. There's no public transport. Like, everywhere you see rickshaws, and you can take the Ola app I use, but it's none of that. There are just taxis. People who are just offering their car for a very good price. Yeah, right. Okay. So I went partying. Alone, by myself, nobody knowing, just going to the party and feel so freaking good. I'm here alone, I don't give freaking shit, and I'm really enjoying. So I went already to 2 parties, but the stick of my GoPro is broken, so I cannot bring you with me because then the GoPro is gone. I'm scared. But now I'm going to the beach. This boy made plans for the next coming 6 weeks. Where I want to go, and what I want to do and how I want to do. And it includes freaking amazing things. First I need to go down here, like kite surfing, snorkeling, boats, tea, coffee, and yeah, all kind of fields where they sell stuff. Yeah, oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. I'm so looking forward. And a lot of beaches. A lot of beaches. So tomorrow I will leave North Goa and I will go to South Goa to stay there for a few days and visit some nice beaches and relax. And then, yeah, I will go more south. I'm heading to South Goa. Okay, I got the bus directly. I'm now at the bus station in Mapusta. And now I need to find the bus to Palolem.
Yes, well,
Namaste. Palolem?
go Palo, you have to go to Panjim, then to Palo.
Okay, Panjim there?
Yeah, direct Panjim, you have to go direct Panjim, then to Palo. No,
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. There, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. I love you too. He loved me. So I made it to the south of India, or not of India, to the south of Goa. So I stay here in a hostel, and today I did not do a lot. Beach day, chill day, watching palm trees. And tomorrow I will rent a scooty and get them some adventures in the hillside. But the temperature feeling is right now around 40 Celsius degrees. So you can imagine it is a good time to do nothing. Compared to North Goa, this is South Goa. Super chill, super chill. Almost no music, just peaceful people who want to relax and not to want to drink and party the whole day. It's cool. I know, that's a change. Mook mook. I rent a scooty. Ooh, my beast and the view. Because I want to see more than only the beach in Goa. Goa is having more to offer. Whoa, that's really close by. So I'm gonna go into the hillside and see some lakes and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Each day I have a routine, and this morning I had a routine as well. Waking up, reading my book, shower, chill out for a while, and then open my phone, check everything, and then close it, and that's it for the day. And that feels really nice. And being now in the nature, it's actually a national park where there's wildlife. Oh my god, look at this. I love it, and it's super thin, so with this heatness, it's like almost 40 Celsius degrees. It's great. Wow, I want to see this from above. As I'm getting in more to the south of India, things are changing. Maybe I told you already, but one of those examples of changement is the language. Namaste. Everybody speaks another language in each province almost. But most people in the south of India speak English, so that's pretty nice. I do 3 things at the same time: watching, talking, and driving. Oh. And the road is getting bad. waterfall. Small waterfall. Yeah, it's a small waterfall because it's winter. Not that much water. So in India, people have a lot of religions, or India is having a lot of religions. I mean, I think this is a church. It's a beautiful one, very colorful. Let's start the engine. So okay, the petrol meter is not working that much, but it's empty. It's empty, but it's okay because the petrol station is like 20 meters away. So luckily I'm there because I already noticed that it was almost empty by checking, just watching how much it's in there. It's weird because I bought petrol this morning, but okay, let's walk the scooty to the petrol station. Still. Nothing.
How much money? What I want?
Nothing actually. Just 20 minutes before it was. Can you fill it for the half?
How much?
I need to overthink my ID for tomorrow that I want to hitchhike. Because I can also take a train, or I directly think nope. Because the last times there was so much delay. And there I need to stand, you know. Yeah, there I need to stand. Also in the heatness, but it is freaking hot. Okay, let's go out of here because here's nothing to see. And then I can maybe go to the beach. Save water, save the earth. Those people are living 10 meters from the beach. Wow, with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 houses. Wow. So back in the days, Portuguese people and society or government or whatever you call it was here, and that's the reason that a lot of buildings or houses having a touch of Portuguese. Not a touch of me, but I would love to spend my time over there. Wow, literally opening your door and you're directly outside in the nature, close by the sea. Okay, I'm dreaming. I don't know if I want to move or I want to stay here. But the sun I will not see going down, so I will move. Let's go to the next adventure, where I will be a guest of honor after a crazy hitchhike adventure that I had on the Indian highway. Well, big hug for me. Bye!